Hello, and welcome back to Gun Fanatics. Whether you're a seasoned hunter or just starting out, the right rifle can make all the difference in your success and enjoyment in the field. Today, we're shining the spotlight on the 243 caliber rifles, a highly versatile option that balances power, accuracy, and manageable recoil, perfect for hunting medium-sized game like deer, coyotes, and hogs. Why the 243? Its flat trajectory, moderate recoil, and availability of a wide range of ammunition make it one of the best choices for both beginners and experienced hunters. Plus, it's ideal for environments ranging from open plains to dense forests. In this video, we'll break down the top 8 243 rifles that deserve a place in your hunting arsenal in 2024. We'll discuss their features, performance, pros and cons, and why they've earned their spot on this list. Stick around because you might find your next go-to-hunting companion. Number 8. Ruger American Rifle. Kicking off our list is the Ruger American Rifle, a budget-friendly yet reliable option for hunters of all skill levels. Ruger has a reputation for delivering high-quality firearms at an affordable price, and the American rifle is no exception. This rifle features a lightweight synthetic stock that's perfect for those long treks in the wilderness. At just around 6.5 pounds, it's easy to carry without sacrificing stability. The cold hammer forged barrel provides consistent accuracy, even with factory ammunition. Another standout feature is the Ruger Marksman adjustable trigger, which allows for a crisp and customizable pull ranging from 3 to 5 pounds. Available in various configurations, including Predator and compact versions, the Ruger American is versatile enough to meet a wide range of hunting needs. For hunters on a budget who don't want to compromise on quality, this rifle is an excellent starting point. Number 7. Savage Axis, the Second XP. Next up is the Savage Axis, the Second XP, a rifle that combines affordability with out-of-the-box readiness. What sets this rifle apart is its factory-installed scope, making it a great option for beginners who want a no-fuss setup. The Savage Axis, the Second XP, features the renowned AccuTrigger system, which provides a crisp and clean break with an adjustable pull weight. This feature alone significantly enhances accuracy, especially for newer shooters. The rifle's synthetic stock is not only lightweight, but also designed to withstand harsh weather conditions, making it an excellent choice for those unpredictable hunting trips. Another highlight is its smooth bolt-action design, ensuring reliable cycling even under rapid use. If you're looking for a rifle that's easy to use, low maintenance, and gets the job done, the Savage Axis, the Second XP, deserves serious consideration. Number 6. Tikka T3x Lite. Sliding into the number 6 spot is the Tikka T3x Lite, a Finnish masterpiece that hunters love for its precision and durability. The T3x Lite is specifically designed for those who value a lightweight rifle that doesn't compromise on performance. Weighing just over 6 pounds, this rifle is ideal for hunters covering long distances or hunting in rugged terrain. One of the T3x Lite's standout features is its free-floating barrel, which enhances accuracy by reducing interference during the shot. Combine that with its smooth bolt-action mechanism, and you've got a rifle that feels like butter in your hands. The recoil pad is designed to absorb shock, making this rifle comfortable to shoot even for extended periods. Whether you're stalking deer in the forest or taking long-range shots across an open field, the Tikka T3x Lite delivers reliability and accuracy in a lightweight package. Number 5. Winchester Model 70 Featherweight. At the halfway point, we have a true classic, the Winchester Model 70 Featherweight. Known as the rifleman's rifle, this iconic firearm blends traditional craftsmanship with modern performance, making it a favorite among hunters who appreciate the finer details. Its satin-finished walnut stock not only looks stunning, but also offers excellent durability. The rifle's controlled round feed system ensures smooth and reliable cycling, even in challenging conditions. Its three-position safety allows hunters to handle the rifle with confidence, knowing it's secure until the moment of the shot. The Model 70 Featherweight is more than just a hunting rifle, it's a piece of history that delivers consistent performance and timeless appeal. If you're someone who values aesthetics as much as functionality, this rifle is hard to beat. Number 4. Browning X Bolt Hunter. Coming in strong at number 4 is the Browning X Bolt Hunter, a rifle that combines elegance with cutting-edge features. Browning is renowned for its attention to detail, and the X Bolt Hunter showcases this in every aspect of its design. This rifle features a free-floating barrel and a precision-tuned trigger system, ensuring pinpoint accuracy with every shot. Its walnut stock and satin finish give it a classic look, but don't let the beauty fool you. This rifle is built for serious hunting. The innovative X-Lock scope mounting system ensures a secure and consistent attachment, while the rotary magazine provides smooth and reliable feeding. For hunters looking for a blend of modern technology and traditional craftsmanship, the Browning X Bolt Hunter is a standout choice. Number 3. Remington Model 700 SPS. Taking the third spot is the Remington Model 700 SPS, a rifle that has earned its place as a staple in the hunting community. With its rugged synthetic stock and matte black finish, this rifle is designed to withstand the toughest conditions. The Model 700 SPS is built on the legendary Model 700 Action, known for its strength and reliability. Its adjustable trigger and precision machined barrel deliver exceptional accuracy, making it a top choice for medium and long-range shots. Whether you're hunting in the rain, snow, or sun, this rifle performs consistently under all conditions. If you're looking for a workhorse rifle that combines durability, versatility, and performance, the Remington Model 700 SPS is hard to beat. Number 2. Bergara B-14 HMR. The runner-up on our list is the Bergara B-14 HMR, a rifle that seamlessly blends hunting and match-grade performance. Built in Spain, the HMR stands for Hunting and Match Rifle, and it truly lives up to its name. With its fully adjustable stock, the HMR allows you to tailor the fit for maximum comfort and stability. Its precision barrel is designed for long-range accuracy, making it an excellent choice for hunters who want to push the limits of their shooting skills. The Bergara B-14 HMR also features a threaded barrel, making it suppressor ready for quieter shots in the field. Whether you're hunting or competing, this rifle delivers world-class performance in every scenario. Number 1. Howa 1500 Hogue. Finally, our number 1 pick is the Howa 1500 Hogue, a rifle that ticks all the boxes for hunters seeking reliability, precision, and value. Its Hogue overmolded stock offers superior grip and recoil absorption, making it one of the most comfortable rifles to shoot. The Howa 1500 boasts a free-floating barrel and a smooth bolt action mechanism, ensuring consistent performance and exceptional accuracy. It's also highly customizable, with plenty of aftermarket options for those who want to fine-tune their setup. Affordable, yet high-performing. The Howa 1500 Hogue is the ultimate .243 rifle for hunting in 2024. And there you have it, our picks for the 8 best .243 hunting rifles for 2024. Whether you're looking for affordability, elegance, or cutting-edge technology, there's a rifle on this list for every hunter. Which rifle caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow hunters. Thanks for watching, and happy hunting!